Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll be discussing how to create an interactive menu in PowerPoint. Interactive menus can help make your presentation more engaging and professional, and they are relatively easy to create. Let's get started. Here, I already opened a PowerPoint, and this is the blank PowerPoint. Here, I'm gonna show you how to create an interactive menu in your slide for your presentation. So let's get started. I already opened the blank one, but here you can see the two text box say that click to add title, click to add subtitle. Here I'm gonna just take out both text box, click on that and use the keyboard delete. Same way I can just do click and use the delete. Now you can see this is the kind of the blank one, nothing is there. So here before that I'm gonna use the design or background color. So with the design tab, you can see there's also the few theme variants and the customize. So I'm gonna use the format background, click on that, and the format background you can see the solid fill, gradient fill, and pictures or texture fill or pattern fill, or you can use the gradient background graphic. For now I'm using the gradient fill, and here you can see here is already a fill what I have used in the previous slide. So I'm gonna change this for the background. So let me choose one of the from them and use, I'm gonna take out the one, delete one. Yeah, now you can see it's now changing, and you can also resize. For now I can just use this as a background. Then let me do create an interactive menu. So with the insert, go to the shape, click on that and use the rectangle and draw down the rectangle here. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just duplicate it, Ctrl D. Now you can see this is the duplicate one. Then I'm gonna change the shape fill. So click on the shape format and use the shape fill and choose one shape fill from them. Like if I chose the one, then let me take it to here and I'm gonna take it to a little bit far. Then what I'm gonna do, use the no outline. Now you can see here is no outline. Then I'm gonna change this shape fill with the same color. Use the shape fill, just hit on that, or you can choose from there, or you can just click on the one. Now you can see this is the same color. Then use the no outline. Then I'm gonna use menu symbol, like I'm gonna create it, go to insert and use the shape, and from the shape I'm gonna choose line and draw the line. Yeah, then use the different color and size, shape outline, use the white, and you can see this is the kind of. Then click on that and use the Ctrl D for duplicate. Same way I can just use Ctrl D. Now you can see this is the kind of the menu bar icon. Then group it, Ctrl G, or you can use from shape format and use the group. Okay, now you can see this is the one icon. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the insert. From the insert, use the icon. From the icon you can find the icon in here from the icon group. So let me choose few icon from them, click on them and select. If I chose this one and this one, and before that I'm gonna take out this one, let me hit on the insert. Here you can see the few. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm just resize it, use the shift, it now resize. Then I'll take it to here. Same way I want to take it here, and this one also I'm gonna use. Same way I can use, yeah, resize it. Okay, then take it to little bit middle, both of them. Yeah, now you can see. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just change the color. Just click on that, use the graphic format and use the graphic fill. So if I use this one, now you can see it can be highlighted. Same way I can do for the other icon. Click on that and use the white one. Same way do the graphic fill, use white, and this one also graphic fill. Now you can see this is the visual, or audience can see easily in your screen. Then I'm gonna do it, use this one and do the resize little bit bigger. Yeah, you can see this one. Now you can see this is the kind of the one shape. So what I'm gonna do, I just work with the text box, insert and add text box, and draw a text box in here. And if I say add text section 1, the one, let me just duplicate it, Control D. Yeah, this one, same way I can just duplicate it, Control D, and use the here. Same way I can just duplicate, Control D. Now you can see this is the kind of the menu bar. Then just take it to as a menu. Like, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select all of them, this one, this one, and this one, and this one, and the one. Then let me just group it, Control G. Now it can be movable very easily. Now it's time to animate it. So how can I do that? Click on here and just go to the animation and use the add animation and use the line. If it's the one, yeah, but I'm gonna use the effect, like from, if I use from the left, now you can see it's come up, but I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna change the direction, so for use the right. Yeah, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use it here, this one. Then I'm gonna use the another animation, add animation, go to the line, and what I'm gonna do, use this one, like this one. But before that, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take it as a back. Yeah, go to the animation pane. Here you can see, but I'm gonna use the change this one left to right. Let me just show it. Yeah, when I click in here, it's come up like this, and when I click in here, nothing is there. So let me just finish this with this. Okay, then here when I click over here, then it will come and it will go. But before that, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take it to here, the outside, click on that, then it will come up like this. Then when I click over here, then it will go like this. So just let me the choose it. Here I can just talk a little bit. Then I'm gonna use this one. So here I'm gonna use this linked with the another slide. So how can I do that? Just click over there, and before that I'm gonna just use the duplicate slide. Click on that. I can use the duplicate slide. Here is the section 1 to 3. Before that, I'm gonna just choose the section 1. This is the section 2, and if I say 3, 4, then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take it and copy it and paste it there, the every slide. I can just use this one as a manual 2, 3, and 4. Same way I can just edit it. Then what I'm gonna do, the link it to the here, then click on that and link to hyperlink to the, it will link to the slide 2. Yeah, click on that and it will click on here. And the top one, if I click in here, before that what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna insert, go to shape and use one shape and take it to here and use the no outline and use the no fill here. So what I'm going to do, click on that and link it to, and use the slide 1, this one. Now you can see this is the slide 2 and I link it to the slide 3. Click on that, click on the slide 3. Okay, same way I can just click hyperlink 4 and use this one for hyperlink and use 5. Okay, then same thing I'm gonna use all of them to the another slide, click on that and copy it, go to the slide here, just delete it, this one, then paste in here. Let me paste in here. Now you can see this is the same way I can just do for the other. Just paste it. This one is linked to slide 1, it's the title one, and this is linked to the slide 2, and the one is linked to this one. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just add a text box. Go to the text box and use the section 1 and use the different color. This is the kind of the example. Okay, then next slide. Just what can I do, I just copy it and paste in here. Just use the different colors, save file. Okay, then same thing, I just copy it and paste into here and use this one, change the different color. Okay, then go to the section 4, use the 4, then click and change the color. Okay, let me just show you how it will work. Then click on that. When I click over here it's come, and when I click over here it's take to the section 1. When I click in here it's take me to section 3. Click on here, it's take me to section 4, and when I click in here you can see this take me to section 1. Okay, then now you can see here when I click over there and you can see the here, and when I click in the here like section 2 it will take me to here. Okay, and now I click on that, so it's now gone, and when I click in here now it's come, then when I click in here then it's gone. So it's very easy to do the interactive menu for your presentation. Okay, so by adding a hyperlink, so it can be used as a menu bar. So you have successfully created an interactive menu in PowerPoint. Interactive menu can help make your presentation more engaging and professional, and they are relatively easy to create. If you have any questions or comments, please have them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.